Hello everyone, welcome back to Stylish Design. This video is about the latest beautiful bridal wears and it is Hijabi special. In order to watch them all, you have to just take on. Before we move further, don't forget to hit on the bell icon, subscribe and stay tuned for upcoming videos. If you will hit on the bell icon, so whenever I'll upload a new video, you will be notified and you can be the first to enjoy watching it. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family as much as possible. I would also like to introduce you my Instagram ID, Twitter ID. I'm also on Pinterest. Links to all of them are in the description box below. You guys can follow me there as well. These are the latest beautiful hijabi brides and hijab bride outfit ideas. Bridal outfit, hijabi, beautiful with different outfits on different saris, lehenga, gown, shararas and many more. So in order to become a hijabi bride, all you need to watch this haul. If any one of them you would like, then you're supposed to be the same as this one and definitely even more prettier, because you can get an idea that how to pair your jewelries on hijab and the gown that would go great with different styles of outfits, and how to pair your earrings, your jewelries on hijab so that your jewelries are beautifully visible on wearing hijab as well. Now look at this one, the necklace, the bindia and everything are beautifully. Look at this one, her earrings are visible as well while she is a hijabi bride, and it looks really pretty on her as well. Now what color outfits do you prefer to wear on the wedding day? I mean, the bridal dress that you would prefer, in which color the most? Either white, red, golden or any other. Look at this outfit, it's perfect. What do you think about this one? It's beautiful sea green blue color. This is a perfect beautiful bridal outfit and she's looking superb, stunning. This one is absolutely for those who want heavy jewelries and beautifully embroidered and beautifully jeweled tucked bridal outfits. Now which one of them did you like the most? You can comment down as well. Look this one, how pretty she looks. Amazing, she's super beautiful. And I really think that hijabi brides look super beautiful, super cute. Only all I have to do is find the perfect way to get ready and then she'd be best among all. Look at this one, pink colored bridal outfit. It's pretty. What do you think about this blue one with beautiful blue roses as well in her bouquet? This is a grey one. These are all different but yet simple, unique, and even the heavy ones as well. So don't to those who don't like simple one, for them is the heavy embroidered one with jewelries as well. And for those who like simple one, for them are the really simple bridal look. So whichever did you find the most attractive, you can just try them. Now this one, it's simple, beautiful, and these are various color options, color variations from golden, white, red, green, blue, pink, too many more. This maroon as well looks super beautiful, and this bridal makeup goes super well with this nude colored bridal outfit. The silver ones looks pretty as well. And to those who haven't subscribed my channel, click on the subscribe button. Those who are new, welcome here. I upload all fashion related videos and latest makeup trending ideas. And that was it for today's video. I'll be back with next beautiful one. Until then, subscribe, stay tuned, share my videos. I'm really thankful for you guys for watching it.